song, guiding hearts where we belong. Ocean prayer, my soul's release, flowing love, eternal peace. Through the water, through the air, my spirit drifts, I'm everywhere. The moon reflects on gentle waves, the sea remembers what it gave. Every dream that slipped away returns to shore in light of day. The wind it whispers you are free, the ocean hums in harmony. No walls, no fear, no need to hide. The tide will take what's deep inside. The rhythm's slow, the night so wide. The stars above, the waves collide. In every sound, in every tear, I feel the universe draw near. Hear my ocean prayer tonight. Waves are singing in the light. Every tide a sacred song, guiding hearts where we belong.
Beneath the foam, the world's reborn. From darkest night to golden morn, the sea forgives, the sea forgets. It holds no pain, it holds no threats. I cast my voice into the deep, where ancient spirits softly sleep. They hum along, they call my name. Through every tide it sounds the same.
Oh ocean wide, oh ocean kind, you heal the heart, you cleanse the mind. Your rhythm steady, slow and pure, reminds me what I'm living for. No riches here, no golden throne, just peace that makes my soul my home. The drums of time, the waves of grace, all life returns to your embrace. Every drop that leaves the sea will find its way right back to me. Every song that fades away comes back again another day. We rise, we fall, we laugh, we cry, but love's the reason, not the why. The sea keeps time for all we've done. It knows we're many, yet we're one.
So I kneel before the tide, let the water wash my pride. All I've lost, all I've found, it circles back without a sound. Ocean, take my pain away, turn my night into your day. Let my heart forever share this endless holy ocean prayer.
Hear my ocean prayer tonight. Waves are singing in the light. Every tide a sacred song, guiding hearts where we belong. Ocean prayer, my soul's release, flowing love, eternal peace. Through the water, through the air, my spirit drifts, I'm everywhere. Ocean prayer, still I'm floating everywhere. The tide returns, the moonlight gleams. Life is more than what it seems. Oh, ocean prayer, carry my voice through open air. Till the dawn I'll always share my heart within your endless care. Ocean prayer, I call your name. Waves of love and holy flame. Deep inside the rhythm speaks, flowing strong though the world feels weak. The tide rolls in, the moon stands high, truth reflected in the sky. Every drop of memory flows, every sound the ocean knows. From mountain stone to coral sand, the rhythm moves through every hand. Lift your voice, don't be afraid. Love was born from what was made. The sea's alive, the earth's still free. Feel the roots inside the sea. Ocean prayer, I call your name. Waves of love and holy flame. Deep inside the rhythm speaks, flowing strong though the world feels weak. Oh, your guitar chop, it cuts the air. Bassline thick like a lion's prayer. The sun goes down, the stars ignite. We sing for peace through endless night. Hands up high, hearts in tune. Bless the sky and bless the moon. No chain, no wall, no hate remains. The rhythm breaks the world's old chains. Oh, Jah ocean wide, carry me where souls collide. Let the current wash my pain, let the fire cleanse the rain. Drums of thunder echo deep, secrets of the water keep. From the shore to mountain top, this reggae love will never stop. I've seen kingdoms fall apart, but love still beats in every heart. Through every war, through every storm, the ocean's peace keeps us warm. No preacher's book, no man's command can own the rhythm of this land. It's older than the sands we see. It's life, it's truth, it's unity. So sing your prayer to the sea tonight. Let it echo through the morning light. No fear, no tears, no broken chain. Just faith and love that will remain. Hear the rhythm deep and wide. Let your soul be purified. Ocean rise and ocean fall, still the love connects us all. Ocean pride, call your name. Waves of love and holy flame. Deep inside the rhythm speaks, flowing strong though the world feels weak. Ocean prayer, I feel your call. Roots of life connect us all. Through the water, through the pain, we rise again and again. Oh, let it roll, let it roll. Bassline heavy, free your soul. Oh, let it rise, let it fall. Still we're one beneath it all. The sea is our home, the beat our prayer. Every sound still fills the air. Love's the wave we ride tonight, till the dawn restores the light. Ocean prayer, fade away slow. Still the current pulls below. One heart, one sound, one peace, one love, guided by the stars above. Whoosh remain through the rhythm and the rain. Oh, ocean prayer. Home again where my roots remain, under the sun through joy and rain. Home again, my spirit's free. This land still sings the song of me. Home again, my heart's reborn. Through every night and every morn. No matter how far I roam, I'll always find my way back home.
The wind still whispers through the field. The love I lost, the wounds that healed. Mama's voice still calling clear. Child, remember why you're here. The earth's still warm beneath my feet. The rhythm slow
never turn. No gold, no crown, no silver fame can feel the same, it's not the same. The rhythm here is pure and true. The ground I walk remembers you.
Oh, home again, sweet melody. The bass line flows inside of me. No matter the storm, no matter the fight, this love will keep my fire alive. Call my name, oh motherland. Hold me close with your gentle hand. I've been lost, I've been blind, but your rhythm brings me peace of mind.
I've walked through cities made of steel, but none could make my spirit heal. The concrete hearts, the neon sky can't match the truth that never dies. The soil remembers every tear, every laugh from yesteryear. Now I'm back where I belong, and every breath becomes a song.
One love, one sound, one light, one way. Every night becomes a brighter day. Drums of home still beat in me. Roots of life, my remedy. Every echo, every tone says I'm never alone. Home again where my roots remain. Under the sun, through joy and rain. Home again, my spirit's free. This land still sings the song of me. Home again, my heart's reborn. Through every night and every morn. No matter how far I roam, I'll always find my way back home. Oh, 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 home again, where the bass line never ends. Oh, 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 home again, where my soul finds peace again. The sea still shines, the sky still clear, the sound of love forever near. Home again, roots remain, my soul reborn in the rain. Peace within, my soul still strong. In the rhythm where I belong. No more fight, no need to win. I found my heart, my peace within. Peace within the fire low. Still the reggae spirit flows. Through the night, through the din, I rise again with peace within. The bassline deep, the ground it shakes, but calm is all the rhythm makes. The world still turns, the people cry, but love remains, it won't die. The ocean calls, the drum replies, the truth still lives in weary eyes. I walk the path, the roots, the rain. I lose my fear, I drop my pain. Oh, Jah, guide my way tonight. Lead me through this endless fight. Give me breath, give me time to heal this heart, to cross this line. Peace within, my soul still strong. In the rhythm where I belong. No more fight, no need to win. I found my heart, my peace within. The city noise fades away as the drums of life still play. No gold can buy the sound I feel. No walls can hide what's real. The bass rolls slow, my spirit sings. Freedom flows on quiet wings. The past is gone, the scars remain, but every loss becomes my gain. Oh, oh, Jah, peace within. Let the reggae wash my sin. Oh, the night's still long, but I keep moving with the song. Silence note, every line flows like peace inside my mind. Let the rhythm take control. Heal the body, free the soul. No rush, no fight, no sound too loud. Just sunshine through the clouds. Under the coconut sky, the sun drifts slow, the time rolls by. No need to move, no need to try. Just breathe the wind and close your eyes. The fire burns, the kettle sings. A sweet aroma, the daylight brings. kiss and the fire burns low. The rhythm hums the evening slow. The day is gone, the world at ease. The ocean sings its melodies. A drink in hand, my soul aligned. I leave the noise of life behind. Every note, every sound heals the earth and all around. Oh, Jah, I feel your grace in every color, every place. The light still shines, the night's begun, but love remains in everyone. Sunset mood, the sky turns gold. Stories of the day unfold. The breeze is soft, the light so true. Peace returns with every hue. Children laugh, the drums play slow. The moon prepares its gentle glow. The sea reflects a world so wide. The rhythm rolls like an easy tide. No race, no fight, no need to run. I found my peace beneath the sun. The bass line low, my heart in tune. The world still sings a sweet monsoon. Ooh, oh, oh, golden hour flow. Let the reggae spirit grow. Oh, light so near. The sunset whispers no more fear. The night comes soft, the stars will rise. Still the music never dies. Through the echo, through the wind, I find my joy again within. I've seen the dawn, I've known the storm, but here I'm safe, I feel reborn. The world turns slow, my mind is clear. I hear the truth that brought me here. Every end becomes a start. Every beat connects the heart. The sky, the sea, the land, the tune. All together they make me blue. Sunset sound, jazz love still all around. Oh, oh, colors blend. Every day begins again. Let the rhythm roll through time. Peace and hope will always rhyme. Sunset mood, I'm home again. Under this golden reggae rain. Sunset mood, the sky turns gold. Stories of the day unfold. The breeze is soft, the light so true. Peace returns with every hue. Sunset mood, I'm feeling fine. Lost in this reggae time. The sun goes down, the heart still high. Underneath this painted sky. Oh, oh, sunset mood. Still the rhythm feels so good. Bassline deep, the fire low. The island breeze, the night to glow. Oh, sunset light, turn the dark to calm tonight. One love, one sound, one groove, one peace. Sunset mood, my soul's released. Morning breeze, I feel you near. Whisper hope into my ear. The night is gone, the world's reborn. A brighter soul, a softer dawn. Morning breeze, my heart's awake. Another chance the sun will make. Through the clouds, the light will shine. Peace and love forever mine. The ocean sighs, the day begins. The waves still hum like violins. The sky turns gold, the wind so clear. I'm alive, I'm still here. The grass life begin to grow. The birds still sing, the rhythm pure. This peace is love, I'm sure. The bass line low, the air feels wide. The tide rolls in with humble pride. No more pain, no more disguise. I see truth in these skies. Oh, the morning flow, let the reggae spirit grow. Oh, the sun's so kind, it clears the clouds inside my mind. No need to run, no need to hide. Just walk with peace by your side. Every step a brand new start. Every beat a healing heart. The city fades behind my view. The ocean calls me back to you. The sound of drums, the scent of rain reminds me joy can bloom from pain. The light moves slow across my skin. The rhythm dances deep within. No gold, no fame, no need to be. I found my truth in melody. Morning breeze, don't fade away. Keep this calm through all my day. Let the rhythm wash my soul. Let the sunlight make me whole. The island hums, the world so wide. Just still walking by my side. The rhythm flows, the love begins. I find my peace in the morning wind. Morning breeze, I feel you near. Whisper hope into my ear. The night is gone, the world's reborn. A brighter soul, a softer dawn. Morning breeze, my heart's awake. Another chance the sun will make. Through the clouds the light will shine. Peace and love forever mine. Oh, morning breeze, carry my soul across the sea. Oh, light divine, keep this rhythm close to mine. The waves still roll, the sky still white. Peace forever, side by side. Morning breeze, blow again slow. Wherever I go, let your rhythm flow. Raindrops fall on my window pane, wash away my old refrain. The world slows down, the sound so sweet. Rainy groove beneath my feet. Every drop a melody. Every breath feels wild and free. In this calm I find my tune, dancing slow beneath the monsoon.
The sky's gray, the streets all shine, but still this heart feels so divine. No rush, no noise, no need to speak. The rhythm flows unique. The bass rolls deep, the echo hums. The island sleeps, the thunder drums. The rain plays chords the wind can feel. A love so soft, so real.
Oh, Jah, let this moment stay. Let the world just fade away. Every drop that hits the ground makes my soul a deeper sound. Raindrops fall on my window pane, wash away my old refrain. The world slows down, the sound so sweet. Rainy groove beneath my feet.
Umbrellas bloom like island flowers. The scent of life in these wet hours. A cup of tea, a gentle smile. I drift in peace a little while. The drums tap soft, the bass line low. The reggae heart begins to glow.
to reflect it all might say, the sign that love still falls from the holy then. Heart still light, love keeps glowing through the night. Rainy groove, my soul's in tune. I'll keep singing to the moon. No end, no start, no rush, no sin. Only peace I feel.
Raindrops fall on my window pane, wash away my old refrain. The world slows down, the sound so sweet. Rainy groove beneath my feet. Every drop a melody. Every breath feels wild and free. In this calm I find my tune, dancing slow beneath the monsoon. Rainy groove. Still the rain knows what to do. Wash away, let the rhythm softly play. Through the clouds the peace remains. Love still falls like gentle rain. Rainy groove, my soul in bloom. Forever calm inside this tune. Have faith in love, will guide your way. Even when the skies turn gray, through the storm and through the pain, love will shine through the rain. Have faith in love, it never dies. It lives beneath the darkest skies. Every tear, every fall, love still stands through it all. When the night feels cold and long, love still hums a quiet song. You may stumble, you may cry, but the heart still learns to fly. Every loss becomes the key to open doors of destiny. No fear, no doubt, just breathe it in. The light will find you from within. The rhythm slows, the world feels wide. The waves still move with gentle pride. Don't close your heart, don't turn away. Love will meet you anyway. Have faith in love, it will guide your way. Even when the skies turn gray, through the storm and through the pain, love will shine through the rain. The road is long, the world's unsure, but love's the one thing pure. It doesn't shout, it doesn't fade. It lives in every choice you made. The breeze that touches ocean's face is love's eternal warm embrace. It's not a word, it's not a sound. It's everywhere when hearts are found. Oh love, it's stronger than the tide. It never runs, it won't divide. It bends, it breaks, but still survives. Through endless years, it stays alive. Even when the days feel cold, love's the story left untold. It shines where shadows used to be. It lives in you, it lives in me. When the sun returns to rise, you'll see love in every sunrise. When your hands can't hold the flame, the wind will whisper love song. let your heart be open wide. Have faith and love will guide your way. Even when the skies turn gray, through the storm and through the pain, love will shine through the rain. Have faith in love, it never dies. It lives beneath the darkest skies. Every tear, every fall, love still stands through it all. Faith in love. The sky clears up above. Faith in love. The rhythm's what we're made of. Waves still roll, hearts still sing. Every ending births a spring. Faith in love, my soul will say, the light will always find its way. Hear my ocean prayer tonight. Waves are singing in the light. Every tide a sacred song, guiding hearts where we belong. Ocean prayer, my soul's release. Flowing love, eternal peace. Through the water, through the air, my spirit drifts, I'm everywhere. The moon reflects on gentle waves. The sea remembers what it gave. Every dream that slipped away returns to shore in light of day. The wind it whispers you are free. The ocean hums in harmony. No walls, no fear, no need to hide. The tide will take what's deep inside. The rhythm slow, the night so wide. The stars above, the waves collide. In every sound, in every tear, I feel the universe draw near. Hear my ocean prayer tonight. Waves are singing in the light. Every tide a sacred song, guiding hearts where we belong.
Beneath the foam, the world's reborn. From darkest night to golden morn. The sea forgives, the sea forgets. It holds no pain, it holds no threats. I cast my voice into the deep, where ancient spirits softly sleep. They hum along, they call my name. Through every tide it sounds the same.
Oh ocean wide, oh ocean kind, you heal the heart, you cleanse the mind. Your rhythm steady, slow and pure, reminds me what I'm living for. No riches here, no golden throne, just peace that makes my soul my home. The drums of time, the waves of grace, all life returns to your embrace. Every drop that leaves the sea will find its way right back to me. Every song that fades away comes back again another day. We rise, we fall, we laugh, we cry, but love's the reason, not the why. The sea keeps time for all we've done. It knows we're many, yet we're one.
So I kneel before the tide. Let the water wash my pride. All I've lost, all I've found, it circles back without a sound. Ocean, take my pain away. Turn my night into your day. Let my heart forever share this endless
favorite song, guiding hearts where we belong. Ocean prayer, my soul's release, flowing love, eternal peace. Through the water, through the air, my spirit drifts, I'm everywhere. Ocean prayer, still I'm floating everywhere. The tide returns, the moonlight gleams. Life is more than what it seems. Oh, ocean prayer, carry my voice through open air. Till the dawn I'll always share my heart within your endless care. Ocean prayer, I call your name. Waves of love and holy flame. Deep inside the rhythm speaks, flowing strong though the world feels weak. Ocean prayer, I feel your call. Roots of life connect us all. Through the water, through the pain, we rise again and again. Hear the drums of the island heart, beat by beat where the spirits start. The tide rolls in, the moon stands high, truth reflected in the sky. Every drop of memory flows, every sound the ocean knows. From mountain stone to coral sand, the rhythm moves through every hand. Lift your voice, don't be afraid. Love was born from what was made. The seas alive, the earth still free. Feel the roots inside the sea. Ocean prayer, I call your name. Waves of love and holy flame. Deep inside the rhythm speaks, flowing strong though the world feels weak. Oh, your guitar chop, it cuts the air. Bassline thick like a lion's prayer. The sun goes down, the stars ignite. We sing for peace through endless night. Hands up high, hearts in tune. Bless the sky and bless the moon. No chain, no wall, no hate remains. The rhythm breaks the world's old chains. Oh, Jah ocean wide, carry me where souls collide. Let the current wash my pain, let the fire cleanse the rain. Drums of thunder echo deep, secrets of the water keep. From the shore to mountain top, this reggae love will never stop. I've seen kingdoms fall apart, but love still beats in every heart. Through every war, through every storm, the ocean's peace keeps us warm. No preacher's book, no man's command can own the rhythm of this land. It's older than the sands we see. It's life, it's truth, it's unity. So sing your prayer to the sea tonight. Let it echo through the morning light. No fear, no tears, no broken chain. Just faith and love that will remain. Hear the rhythm deep and wide. Let your soul be purified. Ocean rise and ocean fall, still the love connects us all. Ocean pride, call your name. Waves of love and holy flame. Deep inside the rhythm speaks, flowing strong though the world feels weak. Ocean prayer, I feel your call. Roots of life connect us all. Through the water, through the pain, we rise again and again. Oh, let it roll, let it roll. Bassline heavy, free your soul. tap soft against the shore. I don't need anything more. The sound of love is in the air. The ocean sings, I have no care. Birds fly low, clouds drift high. The rhythm moves, the breeze replies. Every note, every line flows like peace inside